Quincy Crump with Crump Communication. Today we're at the Best Westerner Beacon Inn in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And today we're going to show you before and after, where we're going to replace a Mitel SX200 with a Grandstream IP-PBX. Follow me into the equipment room. Here's the Mitel SX200 that we'll be replacing with a Grandstream IP-PBX for hotels. Hello there, once again another successful installation with the Grandstream IP-PBX for hotels. We started on this about 10:30 a.m. and it's 3 o'clock now. 104 rooms, and we have installed the Grandstream IP-PBX with SIP trunking and tested all the rooms. What's left to be done now is to train the customer. This is the before and after.